You know, I am all about reporting to you guys at the earliest convenience. They got me really good this time. So the fact that this arrived at my appointment, my essay walked over and I was asking like, what's in there? The answer is, those are the Twillies for you. I was like, what? But it finally came in, and if you are familiar with mini size bags, you should have an idea of what is in here. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. If you saw me going shopping at Hermès again, I did, and these are the damage. And you know, I am all about reporting to you guys at the earliest convenience. Here I am sharing some unboxing goodies with you guys. I was called to collect some ordered items, so I was like, okay, I'll go take a look. The vitrines changed again, and they were filled with the colors of spring and summer. And you know, I have an eye for like colored things, and they got me really good this time. They launched a lot of new SLGs. There is a collection that I really like. It's called Dogon. Anyway, without talking too much, I did take you guys on shopping appointments again. So if you have checked the stories on Instagram, you know, and if you're here right now, thank you for coming back and watching today's video. I really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's just get into unbox some of these fun stuff. I don't like to keep you guys waiting, and I don't like to wait. So let's just get there. On one of the stories, I told you guys that my lovely essay arranged stock of these two Twillies, and I had to bring both of them home because they're a special edition Twilly, as they are a part of the special print from a Japanese artistry or factory. Like a generational one. I remember watching this video on Hermès's channel and I was like, wow, this is really interesting. And because the video is relatively old, I thought the collection was already done, but who knew that they have just launched it in 2021 spring summer collection. So out of my mystery bag are two Twillies, and let's open them one by one. So this is not the one that I was talking about, but this is the other one that I have been wanting to collect. I originally wanted the one that's exactly the same colorway but with dots on it. This is a part of the exposition Universal, and I have a colorful scarf. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on my wall. This one is the Twilly Scarf, and I love the colorway and the fact that it's black. It could be paired with many different handbags. My essay also made sure that the special edition one, which is the exact same one with neon dots on there, have been discontinued, so I decided to pick this up. If you want to see how I dress this Twilly, definitely follow me on Instagram because I do share a lot more visuals on the daily over there. So this is the first Twilly, and this is the second one. Let's see if we're lucky enough to get to the Japanese silk print one. And okay, so this is another special Twilly. I did not know that this was released in this colorway, which I believe this is called the Kelly Pearl. Let me look at the tag. Yeah, it's called the Kelly and Pearls. Basically means Kelly pearls, and this is available in a few colorways, but I personally like the mix and match look for handbags, so I did not pick two of the same Twilly. I picked everything different, and also they could go together, this blue and orange colorway, but there were red, there's orange, there's a pale pink, and there's even a white one. But this is exactly what I need right now after all of the other Twilly purchases, because I think it would go really well with the colorway. Okay, so I have 4 more things in here. I have 5 more things in here. 2 are cosmetics, so it's very exciting. These 2 are going to be a pair of the Japanese silk because they are so pretty, and each of them are printed uniquely, so they look different. That's why I picked both of these up, because I know how popular they are and I never expected to actually receive them. So the fact that this arrived at my appointment, I was so excited because my essay walked over holding 2 little Twilly boxes, and I was asking like, what's in there? And the answer is, those are the Twillies that I ordered in for you. I was like, what? Let me see immediately what they are, and voila. You guys ready? So this is the beautiful made in Japan scarf with a very, very special heritage print technique. There is a video, I'm gonna try to find it and link it in below under Hermès' channel, and that I was really fascinated by it. And it has also a very special label over here that says Hermès Paris, but it's stitched in pink. So it's super nice. And this one is called the Twilly Marble Silk. Okay, and then the colors, it's just multicolor, so it's just so beautiful, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like on a handbag. This one pretty much has the exact same one, and if you want to see the detail difference, I did take pictures of them. I will be posting them on Instagram. If you care to see the differences, or if you want to play a game and find the differences between the two scarves, head over to Instagram right now. Lastly, I do have a little box here. This one I picked up at the last appointment, I believe, when I collected the Birkin bag. It was a total surprise. Was it? I don't remember. Nowadays, I have really limited memory capacity due to being pregnant and the hormones. I was really happy my Hermès fairy ordered me this in the size that I wanted, because I cannot wear any small size for some reason on their jewelry. And this is a silver piece. I love that this particular ring is not a very statement and very chunky silver piece. It's a very dainty collier de chain ring. I find silver and rose gold matching really well on my complexion. I'm very excited about this, and it's just really sleek, and the price for this is around, I believe, 500 or 600 US dollars, which I think is a great starting point if you want to choose any jewelry from Hermès' silver collection. Okay. And the very last two items in my little orange bag are these Rose Hermès. I guess this is a limited edition release for spring summer 2021. They have released 3 of those lip enhancers. Their previous product line for cosmetics are only lipsticks, and then this time they have also launched a series of color for their blush. Everybody's complexion is different, skin condition is different. I just wanted to showcase the 2 colors that I picked out and what they look like on my complexion. So it'll be a super short video, but I think it's worth sharing, as a lot of us live in areas where they don't have an Hermès boutique, where only e-commerce is available. So maybe it could be helpful for you to pick out the right color. Let's move on to some of the bigger items in terms of size and price point as well. These are some of the picks that I've been looking forward to collect from my wish list, and I stumbled upon a really pretty color. I cannot wait. But first, let me show you this new color in the Kelvi card holder. And I did a pull on this when I started my Hermès journey this year, and this was ordered because online it was already sold out. So this is a 5P pink Kelvi card holder in Epsom leather. The Epsom really brings out very beautiful side of any colors, including cray, the white color. And this particular one is even prettier because it's in this like beautiful and perfect shade of pink, and I just have a thing for anything small that's pink. So this one I had to have in my collection. I don't know if I'm going to use this because I just love the colorway, and I have another Kelvi card holder that I unboxed it in the haul in the rose azalea, but in ever color, so they're different. If you want to see color differences and all of that kind of visual stuff, go to Instagram. I really try to capture the differences between all the items that I own, and I cannot wait for this to make a debut on my Instagram page as well. Okay, so the next item is the one that I was most excited about. I have a little story. If you want to skip and just watch, go ahead. I'm not stopping you. But for some of those who are here for stories, before I went into my appointment, I asked if there are any additional colors that is available in the Dogon compact wallet. So this is the Dogon compact wallet, which is the size between the card holder and the regular Dogon wallet. I love anything Dogon because the first time I've ever seen an Hermès item on somebody was this girlfriend. She was using the regular size Dogon wallet, which now seem to be really big, but a lot of people love using it as a travel piece. Dogon also comes in so many different sizes, just like the Bjorn wallet. Regular Dogon wallet is enormous, so I personally wouldn't recommend getting it, but this particular one, which is the Dogon compact, is something that does not intimidate me. It's a regular like medium size wallet, and it has enough enough card slots and organizations for us to be used on the daily, even though I am into itty bitty things that only fits credit cards, but this one is just perfect, especially in this color. It is in the other very popular neutral color in the white family. Actually, it's in the gray family because it's called Gray Pearl. And voila! This is the Gray Pearl Dogon compact wallet. I'm pretty sure the camera is not gonna do justice showing you the natural color, so I will be taking more photos and show you guys on Instagram under natural lighting. I'm probably even gonna do a comparison between the Cray and the Gray Pearl because a lot of people want to get this color for their Birkin or Cali, and this one, after I compared it with the lime color, I made a very quick decision that I'm not going with lime color, even though, you know, I'm a color freak. This one is just so beautiful, and I love the sleek design of the big button here. And there's a leather pull, you just open it. The inside is also a matching gray pearl color. There are 2 credit card slots, 1 zipper, and 2 other compartments. To me, this is the perfect amount of things that I would carry with me in a wallet if I were to switch out of the card holders. And I'm so excited about this because I think this is gonna age beautifully. And I think the leather for this is also ever color, so it's not Togo where it's like really big grain. I'm not sure how that's gonna look on this very light color palette, but I love the Togo on the Cray. It's just perfect. So I definitely felt like I scored, and I asked you guys to guess if it's a neutral color or a colored piece. If you guessed neutral, you guessed it right. I did try to trick you, but this is just too beautiful not to have in my personal collection. Last item, most importantly, is not unboxed by me because this is a piece that belongs to my mother, and I just asked to share this moment with you guys because it is also an item that's been ordered for a while, but it finally came in. And if you are familiar with mini size bags, you should have an idea of what is in here. So I feel like for moms, this is like a perfect color because she cannot do any bright colors, and this is just perfect. So, you guys ready? And voila, this is the Mini Evelyn in the gold color with silver hardware. If you are waiting to collect a quota bag, you know, that's gonna just take some time, and also it takes some time to build. If you are seriously loving colors like this, I think it's great to start from smaller size handbags because they are relatively easier to become available if you put it on your wish list. This one still did take long, however, it's worth the wait. And this one comes with the same color strap. So it is just a fabric strap. Some of the Mini Evelyns come with a woven strap, but this one comes with matching color, which I do think it's a great bag for my mother. Her style is not very adventurous, to say the least, but she's very happy with this one that I chose for her. If she gets to model it, I'll make sure I share it with you guys also. Whew, you guys, I wish you can see what's going on the chair that I'm sitting on right now. It's definitely a mess. And thank you for watching today's video. I really enjoy doing unboxings with you guys, but like I said, do not expect too many unboxings from me. I still love my reviews. However, since we're friends, you're subscribed to the channel, I do like to invite you and take you on the journey with me. So I want to thank you very much for watching today's video. If you watched until this point, please give this video a thumbs up because it really supports the channel, and I thank you very much for doing that. Okay, I'm gonna go clean up now. Thanks again for watching today's video. I hope to see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye. As time goes by with